And we've just demonstrated how to do one type of assignment, which was the poetry assignment task. And this time we'll have a look at how a different task might ask you to upload something. So in this particular case, just because we know that this is how it's worked on this test account, we're going to find Science Task Test 1. This one's due on the 4th of July here. Okay, and just like earlier on, we're going to click View Assignment first of all, and it will open up the main assignment page. And this one you'll see is a little bit different to the OneNote work we showed you earlier. This one has instructions again, so it tells you to open and read through the file which is attached. There's a digestive system PDF file, and then it asks you to produce a student-friendly fact sheet on a Word document about the digestive system. Upload your completed work and submit it to your teacher. So if you were doing this particular case, this particular work here, the first thing you might want to do is firstly click on the PDF, because you're asked to read through this, and your teacher's presented for you some reading material here, perhaps for you to have a look through. So you'd spend some time clearly working through here, maybe taking some notes first. And remember, your task would have been for this one to create your own student-friendly version of how the digestive system works here. So imagine you've finished reading through this thing here. You just click this back off, and you would then, on your own computer, your iPad, tablet or phone, you will perhaps then have gone to Microsoft Word. Remember, you would have downloaded that earlier on and signed in into your normal school account with that one, and then you will then be asked to add work here, or to submit or upload your work that you've already created. So if you imagine you've already made your Word document on your own computer or iPad, it might be saved on your desktop, it might be saved in your own school folder system, on your own documents area, but all you literally need to do where it says My Work and Add Work is if you tap that button there, and you'll see that this will open up two different things for you here. You've got a choice of different places to upload work from. If you're signed into your school OneDrive account, you can add files from there. If, for example, like me on here, you've just done the work directly on your iPad, then you have the option at the bottom to upload from this device. So I'm going to imagine I've done my work on my iPad, and it's going to ask me to upload work from my device. I'm just going to click Browse here, and I'll imagine that this document at the top here is the thing which I've created. Even though it says My Guide to Using a Website, let's just pretend that that's my digestive system work which I've completed on a Microsoft document. I've selected the right one there, and it's asking me, do I want to upload this from my device? I've clicked yes, and I'm going to just click Done, and then you'll see that my work there, underneath there, has been uploaded and is ready to be handed in to my teacher. Again, I'll do exactly like I did on the last example, so I'm going to click Hand In on the top right there, and then this time there's a different animation showing that my work has been handed in to my teacher. Whilst we're here, it's useful just to demonstrate that perhaps if I made a mistake, or maybe if I'd accidentally sent the wrong folder, I could click Undo Hand In, and maybe I'd be able to unlock my work. You'll see it's just saying there, working on unlocking. And then what I would then do is, perhaps if I needed to get rid of this work here, I'd click Remove. Let's just remove that one. And then perhaps if I needed to add the right work, I'd just go back to upload from this device. In this case, I'm going to choose Browse. And let's imagine this work here is the work that I've completed. And I'd click Done. And then I'd make sure then that I would then hand in that work, if that was the correct work, which would be sent to my teacher.